CrownCAD 2026 continuously enhances professional capabilities in part design as the foundation of design. Sketches now support negative dimension input for direct direction reversal, simplifying constraint steps. A new, fully defined sketch function enables one-click full constraint of sketches, avoiding over-constrained or under-constrained issues. Feature operations are more convenient. The extrusion and revolve functions support selecting closed regions. Facilitating complex graphics processing, Extruded Cut allows multi-body selection to precisely control the cutting range. Hole Wizard uses ISO standard to better meet international design requirements. The mirror function is enhanced with body-level operations, enabling one-click symmetric duplication of entities without manual copying or adjustment. To ensure data input reliability, a new input diagnosis function is added to quickly identify tiny broken faces in models, ensuring geometric integrity and preventing modeling errors. The upgraded split function can accurately divide solids or surfaces into multiple parts, and it also allows extracting specific model regions to generate independent components, greatly facilitating local design and analysis. When combined with the Move Face command to directly adjust models, it significantly improves model iteration and modification efficiency.